We have EB02, green purple Luffy. Just going first here, doing a search with Nami. I think for us, what I found is we want Ocean Sovereignty just to get rid of these sort of 5-drop Sanjis. I think they just really kill us, so we need to get rid of those as best we can. And luckily in this hand we've got that. We're going to go for here. I think we're going to do our standard play of 1 Don attach. Get the counter, and we'll do Porsche. We've got some Tamagos in hand, but we can't take them because it's Porsche. Let's play a Black Maria, and we'll just minus the life there. Okay, so they get a Zorojuro down. Okay, draw Sanji and Pudding. And they're going to go 6 here. We can counter with an X-Drake. I don't think that's going to be too useful in this game. Let's just gain these now. I think we'll attack 5. Okay, they take the life. Let's go 5 again. Right, and then we'll just play a blocker down for us here. We'll end our turn. We want to keep some Don just to play Ocean Sovereignty, because I think... Oh, okay. Well, I was going to say, I think Sanji's coming down, but I wasn't expecting the Luffy. He's already got quite a threatening board. We're kind of behind here. It'd be nice to see Kaido come soon as well, just so we can play into that. 7 to 5. Let's think. We could counter. He can only attack with his leader again, we could block. No, let's let it go. 7. We'll just take the life there. So we have enough to minus if we want and then gain back. I think we want to play this, don't we? Get rid of these 2 now. Then let's gain some Don back. Then we'll just go 6. Well, they're 6 as well. And let's minus these for a life. Okay. Okay, another Sanji Pudding. What are we going to get hit with here? 7. We're only on 3 Don. 5 next. 3 in hand, no blocker. This is going to be 9. We'll take this. And we'll just block this one. I was kind of hoping it'd be Hyoko in life, but unfortunately not. Now we could always go 2-10. So we could play a blocker down actually. And keep free. So we could play Chopper, have 3 Don up. Gain 5, minus 7, and then attach the 3 to Kaido here. They're going to have to get rid of quite a bit of counter at least. If not game. Okay, game. Got him. Okay, yes, they didn't have it, they only had a 2k in hand.